Hey everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Lore. In today's video, I'll show you how to change DNS settings on Windows to improve speed, security, or access blocked websites. Make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss any steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Network Settings. Right-click the Start button and select Network Connections. Then click Change Adapter Options to access your network settings. Step 2. Select your connection. Find your active connection, either Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Right-click it and choose Properties. Step 3. Choose Internet Protocol. In the list, select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and click Properties. Step 4. Enter new DNS servers. Use the following DNS server addresses and enter your preferred DNS. For example, Google DNS. 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4, Cloudflare DNS 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. Step 5. Save and apply changes. Click OK to save the settings, then close all windows. Restart your internet connection to apply the changes. Outro. And that's it. Now you know how to change DNS settings on Windows. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tutorial Lore for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.